x cube equals 303 cube plus 404 cube plus 505 cube. Find x. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics, and today we have an SAT question here to solve. And according to what I heard, this question was actually banned because no one could solve it, but today we are going to try it out. So the first thing, let's have our solution. Our solution, we have x raised to the power of 3. Then we have equals 303 cube plus, and we have 404 cube plus 505 cube. All right, so from here we have x raised to the power of 3, that's x cube, equals 303 cube. Now 303 can also be written as 3 times 103, 101 rather, that's cube, plus 404 cube can also be written as 4 times 101 cube, and then 505 cube can also be written as 5 times 101 cube. Okay, so from here what do we do? So from here we have x cube equals, and then we can remember when we have a multiplied by b raised to the power of n, it will give us a raised to the power of n multiplied by b raised to the power of n, right? So from here we'll have 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 101 raised to the power of 3, right, plus 4 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 101 raised to the power of 3, and we have plus 5 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 101 raised to the power of 3. All right, so what are we now going to do next? We have x raised to the power of 3 equals 3 squared, 3 cubed, that's 27 multiplied by 101 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 cubed, that's 64 multiplied by 101 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 cubed, that's 125 multiplied by 101 raised to the power of 3. So looking at this part, we can see something common, and that is 101 raised to the power of 3. So from here we have x cube equals, then we have 101 raised to the power of 3, and when we bring out 101 raised to the power of 3, when we factorize it out, we have 27 here, and then we have 64 here, and then we have 125 here, right? So from here we have x raised to the power of 3 equals 101 raised to the power of 3 multiplied, and we have 27 plus 64 plus 125. Let's calculate. 125 plus 64 plus 27, 5 plus 4 plus 7, that's 16, 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2, that's 11, and then we have 2. So this gives us 216. So we have x cube equals 101 cube multiplied by 216, right? So from here, what are we now doing? We have x cube equals 101 cube multiplied by 216. Remember 216, if we have 6 cube is equals to 216, meaning 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 6 times 6, 36. 36 times 6 will give us 206. We want to try it out. 36 times 6. 36 times 6 will give us 236. So we have 6 times 6, 36. 216 rather. 6 times 3, 18. That's 21, 216. Right? So from here we have 6 raised to the power of 3. Right? And remember this law I wrote here. We have a multiplied by b raised to the power of n equals a raised to the power of n multiplied by b raised to the power of n. It can also be applied here. When we have a raised to the power of n multiplied by b raised to the power of n, it can be shifted back to a times b raised to the power of n. That's what we're going to do here. We have 101 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 3. So we shifted, it can be taken back to 101 multiplied by 6 all raised to the power of 3. So we have 101 multiplied by 6. 101 multiplied by 6 is 606. So we have 606 raised to the power of 3. So from here we have since x cube is equals 606 cube, right? Since x cube is equal to 606 cube, therefore x equals 606. And if you ask me how, we can just cube root both sides, and then we have x equals 606. Cube root cancels cube root, cube root cancels cube root. That's how we have x equals 606. So this brings us to the end of this question. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you.